Welcome to another Reese's Life one-day adventure. So today we are here at the Bloodroot Trail, the Bloodroot Trail, and we are going to hike to campsite 6. And yes, that is right, we're going camping.
All right.
So we have one day to enjoy this thing, and hopefully we do. So let's get on, let's hit the road and
little camping, little fishing, little fun, right?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So when we get our tent set up, we will notify you. So
all right.
See
Let's
ya.
have fun. Woohoo!
Hey guys, we are more than halfway to our campsite. And just wanted to warn you, we're in the woods. Take a look around here. You can take a look around here. So, we're about halfway. And our campsite is smack dab in the middle of Salamonie Lake.
All right, awesome. All right, buddy, let's hike.
Let's hike, and we will notify you again when we're there. So.
All right, cool.
Reece Like Dad Life, a little short on the camping adventure. So, as you can see, we've got to our campsite. We've set everything up. You can take a look around here.
All right.
So, got the tent over
Got
there.
our tent.
There's another room for another tent.
Yep, if we'd have more people.
Oh, we forgot to mention it. My bouncy house.
Your bouncy house? That's better than any bouncy house I've ever seen. Cool. Let's go fishing.
And we're about to go fishing, and by the way, here's our bathroom.
Yep, there's the bathroom. We're out here on the water. Water's just a little high from rain yesterday. Clarity's still pretty good. See what we can find. Fish on. Ah! Dang it. I lost him, Reece. Thanks, Reece. Oh, fish on. Got one. What we got? Oh. What is a drum? All right. Reece, I got a drum. Got a drum.
We got a solid drum.
We're fishing just a little bit of this cheapo version of a Ned rig today, so really hoping to find late spring smallmouth. Smallmouth bass! Woohoo! Not a big one, but a nice one. Nice little Indiana smallmouth. That'll be the cutest little fish we've caught. Look at a little pumpkin seed, and I got him through the eye. Oh no. He's all right.
Oh, honey.
Oh, he'll be okay. Look at that little pumpkin seed. All right, back to the campsite. We're getting ready to head out too, so we'll see you there.
We're back to camp, and we have successfully got back.
Yep.
The other guy is starting his fire.
So we're not too far from doing the same. So
We have an onion to cook.
an onion to burn. Not really the cook, right?
So, see, we have a leftover onion
Yep.
here.
Pretty crazy, isn't it?
Now our fire will smell like
Onion.
onion.
Oh, there's a blue heron down on the water. Pretty
See
cool.
that boat?
Mm-hmm.
Sound of fire.
Mm-hmm. Fire is a
Fire
going.
in that.
All right.
Fire in the evening.
So we're gonna stick the hot dog in just like that. Okay. Do
Okay.
it just like that. Extend the cooker handle. But what would be a nice thing to do when you're cooking your own hot dog is to get one for the other person, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Before you cook yours.
Yep. All right. Getting ready. Oh. Oops. You okay?
Here, I'll get yours
Cutting.
on for ya.
Where's my? I can do it.
No, I got it.
Oh, okay. Okay, dude.
Put it on here.
Yep. There. That's perfect. Okay. Extend it out.
Extend the cooking stick. Now already.
Okay.
Let's do. I'll do the honors of putting it on.
Okay.
Put my first hot dog on.
Okay. We don't touch anything. Just put it right like that. Yep. Cool. What do you think, Reese? What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Or we could cook it.
Yep, you can cook it like that. Awesome.
And just believe it, we're gonna cook s'mores tonight.
Oh boy, s'mores too.
Yep. See, every once in a while you'll want to put it in the fire.
Mm-hmm.
Just to get it a little warmer. Take our
That's
first
allowed.
bite of cooked on the campfire hot dog. So, you watch this and you can have it. Campfire cooked hot dog.
Yum.
Oh, yum.
All right, Reese, what do you got here? A mega one.
Here's how much I burn it.
Hold it down so I can see it. There you go. Whoa, nice. Here we go. Nice. Holy crapola, Reese. Oh, look at the goo. Let's get some good roll on that. Oh my gosh.
This one is good. I can't believe it. Dad?
Can you believe you're out here doing this right now?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Dad,
Hey, tell
like
how it.
mine was crispy.
Yeah.
Get it burn a little bit.
Yep, I will. Hey, Reese, are you excited about tonight's camping? Nervous? Tell me a little bit
A
about
little nervous.
why are you nervous?
I don't like coyotes.
Oh, so he's worrying that maybe a coyote come by or howl in the middle of the night. Giant marshmallows on a campfire. And I don't care what you say, that is how you cook a marshmallow. Yum-y.
You guys. So I was just throwing some firewood into the fire. That way I started this morning. And we just cooked a hot dog.
How was your sleep last night in the tent?
It was very good. So
Your sleep was good last night.
we'll update you in a little bit. So
All right, cool. We're just warming up this morning, gearing up to pack up and do some more fishing. So let's see what happens.
please always remember this video about this campsite. You can take a look around. And we have a little beach down there, and that's some new nice friends, and well, I'm a little sad to leave.
Yep. All right.
And by the way, last night we saw here to Here the coyotes.
Howl, yep. A pack of them were doing some hunting, weren't they?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get the road.
Set the hook. Yes! I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a huge rock bass. A huge rock bass. That is the biggest rock bass I've seen. Oh, what a fish. Stop. Wow.
Hold on.
That is a huge old rock bass. Woo! We hunted that rock bass like nobody's business. Let's see this thing. Wow. Red-eyed. That's why I thought he was a smallmouth, because his bright red eye.
Look at it! First fish of the day.
Yep. All right, let's
Good way to kick it off.
Let's let it down and see if we can see another one. That's okay. Pretty cool bug you got there, Reese. Here, hold him up close. Nice.
Dragonfly. Now. Now.
Nope, he wasn't there. Check my bait. Dang it, I can't believe I missed that big bass. That was 18 inches all day long.
That little one's still there.
Somewhere, hopefully. Oh, hopefully.
No, there he is.
Where?
There he is.
Where? Those are carp, but they're coming right up. Hopefully the bass is right with them.
What is that?
There's a little guy right there. Some little fish. See him? Smallmouth. We got a smallmouth.
Oh!
Watch the. Get him up. Oh, it's a good one. Slowly up. Lift him up slowly. He hit on the. Reel him up. You got him. I don't know.
Grab the line.
Okay.
Here. You reel him up.
I got him. Reel. Up. Hit the wacky rig. We're almost here.
Get him on the flat land. Get him. No.
Yes. Woohoo!
Woo!
Pretty fish. Hit the wacky rig perfectly. Pegged him in the nose. Man, he's pumped up. That's the small one that we saw.
That's a small one.
Here, hold him up real close.
Look at that, guys!
Thanks for watching this Reece Life Dad Life video. Please join us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss another moment of the adventures of Reece Life Dad Life.